Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. Hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah and love to you all. Okay, today's selected topics is about a noun and its classification. First, we know that noun is the name of any person, thing, place, etc. Or noun is the naming word. For example, a pen, a paper, Rajshahi, Dhaka, oxygen, hydrogen, all the things we have mentioned, that is the example of noun. Okay, a noun can be divided into uh, two parts, can be divided into two categories. First, concrete noun, and second, abstract noun. Concrete noun is the name of any physical things, any person, any place, and that can be perceived with our five sense. For example, chair, table, Rajshahi, Dhaka, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. And the second thing is abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of an action, a quality, state, etc. And that cannot be perceived with our five sense. For example, honesty, kindness, etc. Honesty, kindness we cannot perceive with our sense because it's actually abstract things. And concrete noun again are of four kinds. Number one, proper noun. Proper noun. Number two, common noun. Number three, collective noun. And number four, material noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and material noun.